Hello, hello! We have a quick unboxing for you guys. This one is from our dear friend Jen. Hello, hello! How are you doing today? This is Carlo and Sev. We got a package from Jen with Hope. This one is from Jen and Jack, and it says here, do not open until 4/26. And then I know it's already 4:30 right now. And then tan-ta-na-na. Oh my gosh! Look at look at this! Oh my, no way! This is Hermes. Oh my gosh, you're crazy! I told you! Oh my god, I have a card! You are so sweet! This one is going to match my tote bag. Why are you so sweet? See, it's matching. I love you. There you go. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. Thank you. Oh, you are so sweet. Hold on, let me see if this is a personal note. It's as if God picked you especially for me as a special gift. Okay, for Carlo, the sort of gift that uplifts and carries the goodwill of brother friendship. So true. That's true. Thinking you for the gift of you. Thank you very much. Congratulations on which happening by my birthday. It's really happening after 4 days after your birthday. For passing your exam, not yet. We'll see that. For love, Jack and Jen. Thank you very much. Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you.